Well, howdy everybody. We're out here at the farmer's market. We got some great looking vegetables I see, and luckily we brought along some money and some coins with us because we're gonna have to buy these vegetables. And so let's dive into that a little bit. If we're gonna buy these, I see there's different prices, right? Some things are worth 5 cents, some things are worth 7 or 10 cents. So how are we gonna figure out how many coins or what coins we might need? Well, I think we've got some different things here. And Harper, what kind of coin do you have down there? I see you holding something.
A penny.
You've got a penny. Okay. Now, the penny is our smallest value when it comes to the coins. It is worth only 1 cent. And the penny, you can notice it by its copper color, and the edges are really smooth around a penny. And so just 1 cent for the penny, that's the value. And we've got another coin though. I see something else. Chloe, what kind of coin do you have?
I have a dime.
You've got a dime. Okay, now the dime is different. It's actually smaller in its size. So if you were just looking at a penny versus a dime, the dime's gonna be a little bit smaller, but it's worth more. So the dime is 10 cents. You remember how much that penny was worth? It was just 1 cent. But the dime is 10 cents. And the dime has, on the edges, it's kind of rigid. And so it's a little bit different than the smoothness of the penny. And if it's 10 cents, the penny is only 1 cent. How many pennies would it take to make a dime? It would take 10. So 10 pennies would make 10 cents, which is what the dime is worth. Pretty awesome stuff, right? So we've got these coins. I see y'all have different ones, right? We've got more than just 1 penny and 1 dime, which is good because we might need it for our appetite. I'm feeling pretty hungry. So what do you think, Harper, is there anything in these vegetables that you would hope to buy? Anything you want?
A cherry tomato.
A cherry tomato. I love cherry tomatoes. We got some really good ones looking down here. Looks awesome. And they're only 1 cent a piece. Okay, that's a great price. And so if the cherry tomatoes are 1 cent, which coin should we use? If it's only 1 cent, anybody?
A penny.
A penny. A penny's a great one. That's right. Because the penny, remember, it was just 1 cent. And if I'm gonna buy 3 cherry tomatoes, that'd be 3 cents. So I need 3 different pennies, right? Okay, Chloe, what do you think you want to buy?
I want to buy some okra.
You want some okra? Okay, and I would like to buy a carrot. So the carrots are 10 cents, the okra is 3 cents. So what coin would I need to buy here? If I'm gonna, that's 13 cents altogether.
You would need 1 dime and 3 pennies.
1 dime, 3 pennies, because the dime is 10 cents. There's my carrot. 3 pennies for 3 cents for the okra. Well, we've got a lot of shopping to do, and we're hungry. So that's all the time we have. Thank you so much for joining us here today.